guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and this is going to be a hair review on the hair that I am wearing right now, and it is from Kendras boutique. It is their Bodywave, and I have mine in the length 14 and 2/16 inches, and I absolutely love this hair. I know you guys like, you love everything, but no, I want to let you know, and you guys can see how great this hair is. And I actually have on a 14-inch frontal as well, but we will get all into that in this video. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I ordered this hair Black Friday. I know it's been taking me a while to get this video up, but I will let you guys know how and why and everything. But this is what the hair came in. It came shipped priority mail through USPS. So this was really nice, like the bubble wrap paper. In the package, I did receive a cute little tote bag, which is this one here. And it says, I am a hair barb. Oh, if I turn it over. And it says, I am a hair barb. And on the back, it does say Kendras Boutique. And it does have the website. So this is super cute. You never know, like when you're going to go grocery shopping and you want to just throw your groceries in a cute little bag, you have this. So that is pretty cute. And it also came, the actual bundles itself came in this satin bag here, and it says I'm a hair barb again on the back, and then it does have Kendras Boutique and the website again here on the front. So this might be a little stained because I haven't been using this to store items in, so these come in handy. Like, not only can you store your hair in this, but whatever you need you can store this in, and it's great for travel as well. So in my head, I do have in 2 bundles and less than half of the 3rd bundle, because I just felt like I didn't need that much hair. This hair is super full, as you guys can see. It's really pretty, and I really didn't need all that much hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I have left of the actual hair. So this hair has been sitting, so if it's looking a little cray-cray, that is why. But this is what the hair looks like. It's just so beautiful. Like, I have all this hair left that I still can use. And again, this is Bodywave, and this is the 14-inch that I still have left. So as far as the frontal, so originally, so this is a wig that I'm wearing that I did make myself. I'm not the best wig maker. I just do what works for me. But so I originally made a wig with the frontal, and I had it installed and blah blah blah. But honestly, frontals aren't for me. The way my hair is, my hairline comes down really far on the side, so I had to pretty much glue it onto my actual hair in the front, and taking it out was not the funnest thing to do, and I did end up losing a little hair in the front. I know, you guys, like, it's horrible. I'm still trying to get over it, but I ended up losing a little hair in the front on this side, so I'm just like, forget the whole frontal. I'm not doing frontals anymore. One, because I'm not a professional. Honestly, frontals aren't the easiest thing to work with, you guys. So make sure you're getting it installed by a professional and you're getting it removed by a professional, because it's just not the easiest thing. So what I did was, because I spent $100 on just the frontal itself, and that's with it being on sale, so I wasn't about to throw it away. So I ended up cutting it into a closure. So I cut it from, like, probably this part right here is closure. And I end up using the other pieces for another wig, which I will show you guys in another video. But it ended up working for me because I don't have to glue it down. I literally just sit it on my head and go. And it's so secure, and it just works good for me. So if you're one of those people who have been purchasing these frontals and they're not working out for you, don't throw them away. Simply just cut them into a closure like I did. But other than that, the frontal itself was amazing. It just didn't work out for me. But yeah, about this hair, so I did go ahead and add a few curls into the hair. Literally probably about 6 or 7 like random pieces of curls. For the most part, this is the natural curl pattern of the hair, because I was about to go through and curl my whole head. But I absolutely love it. I did dye this hair black, but I do see it already turning a little brown after me washing it twice. But it's absolutely just beautiful hair. There's no tingling, no shedding. I did cut a few of the wefts at the top, and I don't get any shedding, no tingling, just no nothing. Like, this is probably one of the best hairs that I have tried. And this is my first time ordering from Kendras Boutique. They did not send me this hair. I did purchase it with my own coin. So this is pretty honest review. It's just absolutely just perfect. I could have did a better job with bleaching my knots, but again, you guys, I'm not a professional. I just do what I know and what I can, okay? So it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to actually turn around so that you guys can see how this hair looks from the back. This is the hair from the back. Again, you guys, this is 2 bundles and like a quarter of the 3rd bundle, not even a half of the 3rd bundle. And as you guys can see, it's full. The hair just looks healthy. Everything about it is just bomb. And you know what? I get up, I go. I don't have to sit there and play with it, do all kinds of stuff with it before I can leave the house. I just go, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's just bomb. Okay, this hair is just bomb. So you guys, that is just my initial review on this hair. I will be coming back later on and let you guys know how this hair is holding up. And I am going to show you guys what I did with those end pieces of my frontal, because you can use them. I have used mine, so I'm going to let you guys know what I did with it. But yeah, this is it for this hair. Again, I love it. I do suggest you purchase. Kendras Boutique is not like, it ain't cheap, okay? It's not cheap hair. So if you're looking to go spend, you know, $200 on 3 bundles in a closure, Kendras Boutique is not the place for you, but it's definitely worth it. I am certainly going to make another purchase for my summer hair. But yeah, you guys, I will let you guys know how this hair is holding up. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, I did film a video. It's going to be up either before or after this video, and I did use a full face of Maybelline, so you guys, it's lit, okay? So if it's up, I will link it. If not, it'll be up after this video. Okay guys, so that's my initial review for this hair. Again, this is the Kendras Boutique Brazilian Body Wave, and I have in lengths 2 16-inch and a little bit of my 14-inch and a frontal that I cut into a closure, okay? Okay guys, so stay tuned to my channel, and I will be back in a few months to let you guys know how this hair is holding up. And if you want me to review any of your favorite hair brands or any hair brands out there, let me know, and I'll be sure to make a purchase and do the video for you guys. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.